Hey everyone, I'm Mark from Travelshorts, and today I'm going to be staying at the Toy Story Hotel here at the Shanghai Disneyland Resort. So when you walk in, reception is on the right hand side, right in front of you there, so that's where you check in and check out. You've got the bellhop service over there where you can leave your cases. Over around the back is a small little garden area with some figures and some statues. You move over to the left hand side here and we've got a shop. So this is the Lotso shop there. So that's called Woody's Courtyard over there. Down that way is the cafe, but I think we're going to head back to our room now. There's also meant to be Woody and Buzz meet and greets here throughout the day, but for the 2 nights and 3 days we've been here, we haven't actually seen them anywhere, which I assume they take place outside in Woody's Courtyard, but we have not seen them at all. Okay, this is a room tour of room 13224 at the Toy Story Resort Hotel in Shanghai Disneyland. So as soon as you go through the main entrance, we have got a wardrobe on the left hand side here. It's an open wardrobe. And we've got a set of slippers for everybody and more. A laundry bag. It's quite nice actually, that'd be a nice souvenir. Place to rest your suitcase on. On the right hand side you've got a full length mirror. And that's the sliding door for the bathroom as well. And in the bathroom, we have a couple of cups, some complimentary water. Is there any amenities in here? Hairdryer in there. Nothing in there, and some tissues in there. That's it. That's the vanity area there. Have a good view. Then we've got a shower there. And a bathtub. You used to get a metal tin with all the combs, toothbrushes and a little amenity kit, which is a great souvenir, but it's not here. I don't think they've stopped doing that recently, or it's just a mistake and it should be in the room, but it's not. Okay, now this is the main section of the room, so it's 2 queen beds. We have got a fridge in here. More complimentary water there. Tea and coffee making facilities. Okay. Matthew's just pointed out to me that they gave me an amenities bag when we just checked in then. So we don't have the tin anymore. So just give it out at reception. Large TV. Some drawers there. Again, have a look at the 2 beds. Painting, well, a drawing there on the wall. Clock, remote control, telephone, and a Rubik's Cube bedside cabinet. And this is the garden view, so it's nothing spectacular to look at out the window. In fact, you can't even see her at night. But it's just some trees and a car park, so you're not missing anything. This is the view of our room in daylight. As you can see, we're right by the security gatehouse where you enter the hotel from. So that's the checkpoint where they check your details before coming into the hotel if you're driving. And that's basically it. That's room 13224 at the Toy Story Hotel in Shanghai Disneyland. And there's also this note. It looks handwritten, to be honest, so I'm Google translating it. And there you go, you can read the translation there. Welcome to Shanghai Toy Story Hotel. Your room has been fully disinfected. The name of the maid. Hope you have a comfortable stay. Call guest service hotline on the room phone. Have a magical day from room service. Hello. This is the queue to get on the bus to the theme park. Wow. Okay, let's cross through, shall we? We're going to head to Sunnyside Cafe, which is on the ground floor, well, bottom floor, it's basement floor, I think. No, actually, the lobby's on the second floor, so the first floor below us is the Sunnyside Cafe. We're going to see what they sell there, and then Holly wants an ice cream, but I think me and Matthew want something a bit more substantive than an ice cream. Come see what's on the menu. It could be different. Cake pop. So we've come down to Sunnyside Cafe. The menu is pretty limited, if I'm honest. It's just sweet treats like donuts, ice cream, and there were 6 hot items on the menu, but one of those was out, so there's only 5 options for hot food. We have gone for Taiwanese pork and rice, and me and Matthew are going to split this between us, and Holly is having some blueberry ice cream. Me and Matthew soon finished that off. It tasted really good. I would recommend it. Actually, the Taiwanese pork with rice. For the last 2 nights, we've stayed here at the Toy Story Resort at Shanghai Disneyland. How would I review this hotel? It's an okay hotel, but there's virtually no amenities here at all. There's no swimming pool. There's a very small cafe. And that's about it, to be honest. If you relate it to the hotels which are at Walt Disney World in Florida, it wouldn't even be a value. I think it'd be just a notch down from a value resort like the All Stars. So it's probably one of the most basic Disney hotels I've ever stayed at. Even when you consider like Hotel Xi'an in Disneyland Paris, at least that had a big area for food. This place doesn't, which is okay for a couple of nights if you want a reasonably cheap accommodation on site. And the benefits of staying on site as well is you get to enter the parks an hour early, which is really beneficial because the queues can go extremely long. So we're here at the very beginning of April, so it's the low season, and ride times for most of the rides are in the 75-minute range, which are absolutely crazy, if I'm honest. Some of them, such as Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, were over an hour and a half. So we did use Premier Access passes a lot, especially in the first day, to ensure that we did all the rides that we wanted to do. But by going in early, we managed to ride Tron yesterday 3 times in a row, which were walk-ons as soon as we entered the park. So